Welcome back. My name is Markus Wesaw, and I am your safety guy. Today, I'd like to continue on with a little series I've put together on how to become an OSHA authorized trainer. Specifically, for this presentation, I will be going over how to become an OSHA authorized general industry trainer. As always, my name is listed on the screen as well as my email and telephone number, so feel free to contact me directly if you have any questions. So what is an OSHA authorized trainer? Let me touch on this real quickly before I go into more depth on the process to become one. So an authorization from OSHA for the general industry allows an instructor who is authorized to hold independent 10 and 30-hour general industry training courses for other people or for other organizations. This is important because it allows a person in the safety and health field additional opportunities. So for one, you can expand your resume, and in many general industry type jobs such as, say, manufacturing, this could be a basic job requirement for many safety professionals to do in-house training. There's also opportunity to earn additional income because you can hold courses anytime you want to at your own discretion and schedule. Finally, it allows you to become a more knowledgeable safety professional. I like this because you actually have to take a prerequisite course to learn all of the general industry safety and health standards, which really was revelatory for me, and I continue to expand my knowledge base by knowing what to look up and monitoring changing regulations. So it does help you become more knowledgeable. I can tell you that for a fact. So what are the steps? First, you'll need to take a prerequisite course, and this course is the OSHA 511. And the OSHA 511 course is really a standards course. So as I was just alluding to, the 511 course will teach you about all of the various general industry health and safety regulations, which this is a really awesome course, as a matter of fact, because if you are a dual trainer, that is, you have a construction authorization or maritime or one of the others, this is really good because every OSHA regulation there is founded on general industry standards. So, for example, in the maritime regulations, you can see that they allude to general industry standards for respiratory protection. That's one good example. So you can take the OSHA 511 online, or you can take it in the classroom. Again, the online courses can be very brutal, especially the OSHA 511. So I recommend you take the classroom version if you can. Rough cost is about $800, give or take maybe $100 or $150. Either way, it could be cheaper, could be a little bit more. Then the next step is to just take that OSHA 501 course, and this is only available in the classroom. So do you qualify? So here are the prerequisites. So first, OSHA wants you to have about 5 years of general industry safety experience. And if you have the CSP, or Certified Safety Professional designation, or CIH, which is a Certified Industrial Hygienist, these two credentials can substitute for 2 years of experience. But this is interesting to me because in order to get those, usually you have to have 5 years of experience. So it's kind of either way, they want 5 years of experience. And again, remember that you'll need to take that OSHA 511 course before you can take the 501. In fact, you'll have to submit that with your application before they register you for the 501. So where to go for these courses? So I'm going to put the link in the description box, but you need to go to whatever OTI or OSHA Training Institute that works for you. So if you are in the great state of Kentucky, then go to the nearest OTI there. Or if you need to travel a little bit just to make the schedule work, you can do that if you want. So I will put the link in the description box again, and go ahead and check that out on your own and contact the OSHA OTI near you for scheduling, And a lot of times you can see their schedules online as well. It makes it easier. So what are the next steps kind of after you get your OSHA authorization? Well, you're going to go and register at outreachtrainers.org. There's the link. I'll also put that in the description box. And just put your course that you're offering, a 10 or 30 hour, the date, where you're going to have it, and then put the cost. And this way, you can have a free advertisement. And so the importance of this is pretty simple. When a company or an individual calls OSHA and they say, hey, we need to get an OSHA 10 or 30 hour course, or I need to get this course as soon as possible, where can I go? Well, they're going to say, go to outreachtrainers.org and find somebody. So it's a really good way to pick up some classes. Additionally, after you get your authorization, it doesn't end there. So what I mean by that is every 4 years, OSHA requires you to go back to another training course. For general industry, it's the OSHA 503 course. So nobody is permanently a trainer. You constantly have to refresh yourself every 4 years, and you will be very surprised how quickly that 4 years goes by. And a final note, OSHA is very strict on their requirements to hold OSHA 10 and 30 hour general industry courses. So always follow the rules. When you go to your 501 course, they will definitely go over all of that with you. But I'm just telling you now, before you commit to doing this, remember that there are a lot of steps to be taken and there are rules to be followed. Again, my name is Markus Wesaw. I'm your safety guy. My information is listed on the screen. I hope you find this video helpful and have a wonderful day.